Hello everyone, in this Photoshop tutorial I'm gonna show you how to make a moving car. Now this will be the car that we're gonna use. This is the photo. First off, let's go and select the elliptical marquee tool. First you'll select the first rim, like this. Now you can right click on it and make layer via cut. Now we have a separate layer for it. Now go to filter, then go to blur gallery and then spin blur. Now move the circle on your rim. Like this. From here you can select the blur angle if you want. 20 will be good for me. Now press OK. And now do the same for the second one. Again select the background layer. Make a selection of the back rim. Right click, layer via cut. Filter, blur gallery, spin blur. Let's make it 20 for this one too. Press OK. Now for the background, we're gonna select the background layer. After that, we need to go and select the object selection tool, and Photoshop will automatically select the car. Just make a selection of it. Once you have the car selected, we'll right click on the car and then we'll go again to layer via cut. And now we'll select the background layer. We're doing this because on a separate layer, when the background layer is separate, now when we blur it, it won't go on top of the car, it will be only on the back of the car. So let's go to filter, then blur, and then motion blur. Now we need to select the angle. It needs to be something like the angle of the car. And this is the distance, you can choose it. For me, I think 550 is good. And just press enter, and here is the end result. The car looks like it's moving. This is a tutorial for today. If you like the channel, please like, subscribe.